Okay, let's start. This will be the ending for structural and yes. So the median surface of a fold is an imaginary geometric surface that passes through all the inflection points of a fold. Hmm. Then this is Ramsey. Ramsey A2. Class 1 folds an outer arc, inner arc curvature greater. B1, identical curvature of inner and outer arcs. C3, 3, hinge thicker than limb. And sorry, C4, outer arc curvature greater. And class 1A, folds than thinner arc, hinge thicker than limb. Okay. When narrow tensional to trapezoidal slices of rock within which the mineralogy and fabric of the original rock remain essentially preserved, it is called microlithons. Which of the following is not a continuous cleavage? Granulation cleavage. Which of the following is not formed by pressure solution? Not formed by pressure solution results in granulation cleavage, latic cleavage, and stylolytic surface. Stylolites are formed parallel to bedding during burial and compaction, transverse to bedding during tectonic stress. Which of the following divides a fold symmetrically? Axial surface. In stereographic projection, pi circle represents both A and B, that is strike of the plane and dip of the plane. The trend and plunge of a fold is determined stereographically by construction of both a beta diagram and pi diagram. And the 3-point construction method is used to establish amount of true dip, direction of dip, strike direction of any planar structure. The pole to a vertical plane stereographically as a point on the perimeter of the stereonet. Arrange the following rocks in increasing order of their compressive strength: limestone, basalt, granite, quartzite. Intense deformation had formed major mountain belts in regions of the crust that geologists call orogens. The best modern example of collisional continental margin is in Himalayan mountain, Asia. A rock changes shape or size while stress is applied but returns to its original state when the stress is removed. What kind of behavior has this rock exhibited? Elastic. Which one of the following is not a major process in mass movement? Saltation. The force that makes a glacier move is due to gravity. If the fence posts and telephone poles on a hillside are leaned down the hills and there is no other sign of any major disturbance, it is due to the process of creep. If shear stress on a slope is exactly balanced by the shear strength of soil and rock on the slope, then the geologists say that the slope has reached its threshold movement. Most folding is caused by what type of tectonic forces? Compressive forces. The shearing stress sigma s at a point in a plane oriented at 30 degree where sigma 1 is equal to 60 megapascal and sigma 3 is equal to 20 megapascal will be 10 to the power 10 root 3 megapascal. What will be the shearing stress under hydrostatic stress condition at a point in depth in a plane oriented at 30 degree where sigma 1 is equal to sigma 3 is equal to 10 megapascal, 0 megapascal. Karakoram fault is a strike slip fault. The 3-point construction method can be used to establish both strike and dip A and B of any planar structure like bed fault and formations. Which of the following is described as pure shear? Coaxial strain. Rocks that show evidence of high ductile strain are built foliated and contain porphyroclasts are referred to as myelonites. Which of the following is not a good indicator of depositional top and bottom? Graptolite orientation. The term growth fault, you know how graptolite looks? Graptolite orientation in soil. These are graptolites. Graptolites. Graptolite. Okay. The term growth fault means which of the following. A fault is a sedimentary rock sequence formed contemporaneously and continuously with deposition. That's it. Igneous. Which of the following minerals is or are mineral or minerals of low silication? Leucite, nephelinite, nepheline, analkite. All of the above. Which of the following intrusive rock mass is discordant? Okay, discordant is patholith, I guess. Lacolith, lopolith, phacolith, all of these are in concordant. Dikes are discordant. The infilling of vesicles in lavas by secondary minerals are known as amicules. The minute cylindrical rods with rounded ends in the natural glasses are known as longulites. Felsites are formed by rapid cooling of granitic magma and devitrification of natural glasses. The felsic magmas are more viscous than mafic magmas because of formation of long polymer chains between silicon and oxygen. If a basaltic magma crystallized in plutonic condition and the crystals are removed from their after their crystallization at different stages and the remaining magma crystallized separately, which kind of rock will form at last? That is granite. The fine grained equivalent of gabbro is basalt. Granite, plutonic, volcanic is rhyolite, tonalite, plutonic, volcanic is dacite, cyanite, trachyte, diorite, andesite. Okay, then we will continue again later.